Mali pala yung alam natin sa Big Bang Theory. Hey mga kagham, kamusta? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, tanong. Pag sinabi kong Big Bang Theory, anong unang pumapasok sa isip mo? Yung TV show? Si Sheldon Cooper? O isang dambuhalang universe level na explosion? What if I told you? Mali yun. Yeah, you heard me. The whole boom concept, NGL, yan yung main character ng lahat ng misconceptions about the Big Bang. At today, ididebunk natin yan. Let's get it! So your kaagham did the work. Nag-research ako, nag-google, nag-stalk sa mga science journals, naghanap ng chika about Big Bang Theory. And weirdly, ang uniform ng sagot nila. As in, parang lahat sila galing sa iisang script. Parang, uy, consensus? And I realized, kaya pala consensus, kasi yun yung supported ng solid evidence. Pero, grabe yung misinterpretation. At TBH, baka kasalanan ng pangalan. Kasi Big Bang, di ba? It sounds so explosive. Misconception number one. It was an explosion. Okay, let's spill the cosmic tea. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, na parang isang cosmic grenade na sumabog sa gitna ng kawalan. Wrong! Here's the plot twist. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an expansion of space itself. Gets? Magkaiba yun. Yung explosion, yung mga bagay lumilipad palabas from a center pointing into existing space. Yung expansion, yung mismong tela or fabric ng universe natin, yung space-time, ang nag-stretch mula sa isang super dense, super hot state, walang labas sa pinupuntahan, walang gitna na pinanggalingan. Okay, analogy time para mas gets. Bet, imagine itong balloon, yung universe. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng dots using a marker. Yung mga dots, yan yung mga galaxies. Ngayon, hipan natin. See? Yung mga dots, lumalayo sa isa't isa. Pero yung dots ba, lumilipad sa loob ng balon? Hindi. Yung mismong rubber ng balon, yung space, ang nag-stretch. Ganun yung Big Bang. Lahat ng points sa universe lumalayo sa lahat ng ibang points. Kasi, the space between them is expanding. Mind blown? Sana all expanding. Isang mabilis na self-call out. Misconception number 2. It explains the origin. Akala natin, sinasabi ng Big Bang kung paano nagsimula yung universe. Like, ano yung nag-trigger? Sinong pumutok? Actually, ang dinidescribe ng Big Bang Theory ay kung anong nangyari right after that starting point na tinatawag na singularity. Paano siya nag-evolve from something super init and dense into, well, this. It's the theory of cosmic evolution, not necessarily cosmic creation. Subtle difference, pero very important, period. So, to wrap this up, the real definition. Kaya uniform yung sagot ng mga scientists. Kasi, yung Big Bang Theory, it is the leading scientific explanation for how the universe evolved. It states na yung universe natin started as infinitely hot and dense single point and has been expanding ever since for the last 13.8 billion years. So, it's not a bang as in explosion. It's a bang as in yung biglang pag-start ng expansion, yung big stretch sana. Kaso hindi catchy, di ba? So, ayan. May bago ba tayong natutunan today? Na-clear ba natin yung high school misconception natin? Let me know your thoughts or questions sa comments below. Huwag mahiya. Safe space ito. And if you like contents like this, educational, straight to the point, pero make it chika. Alam mo na yung gagawin. Please subscribe to the channel. I-on mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa ating next science tea. Okay? This has been your Kaagham, class dismissed.